A powerful earthquake and subsequent aftershocks have killed at least 132 people and injured 570 across western Colombia, with the death toll expected to rise further. Cauca and Risaralda recorded the highest number of victims, with at least 60 and 15 deaths respectively. Around 13 people were also killed in Choco. The epicenter was near San Jose del Palmar in southeastern Choco, while Cali suffered the greatest infrastructure damage. Colombia's newly inaugurated president declared a state of emergency as authorities search for survivors.
He dado una orden perentoria como jefe de Estado y jefe de gobierno. Lo primero es el rescate de las personas que se encuentran bajo los escombros.
Aside from rescue efforts, Cali and Pereira imposed curfews to prevent looting, as Caldas also introduced restrictions. The earthquake caused power and mobile phone outages, while 6 airports in western Colombia were closed. The tremor was also felt in Ecuador and Panama.